Good day, sir. My name is Kamala Kumaran and my metric number is A2081398. And today I am going to explain about the individual assignment that I do. First of all, I am going to explain about term management. Term management is all activities and task performance of the purpose of achieving objective through continuous activities. There are four activities such as planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Management is required to operate all forms of management and it is important for well-organized teams. A leader possesses certain inherent qualities and characteristics that aim in acting as a director and wielding commanding power over others. Management is an integral component of both technological and social process. Leadership is an integral part of management and plays a vital role in managerial operation. The formal and empirical study of management, on other hand, is a relatively new field of study. The next, I'm going to explain about management function implemented in T-Life. There are four management functions, that is planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. First of all, I'm going to explain about planning that implemented in T-Life. Planning goals and deciding a course of action. Those objective is a role of the planning in management. So, in T-Life, manager be mindful of current status of their organization, climate and predict future circumstances in order to plan. Look, Olding Sanjay Art acknowledged the termination but then did something unusual. That is, they planned and rebranded nearly all the chat times outlets in Malaysia under its own name, that is T-Life. T-Life has put lot of money and time into it, and it also acts as a retail technology research growth center to ensure that T-Life corporate activities running smoothly. T-Life has also created new flavors to accompany its current drinks, that is Durian King smoothie. They plan this for gain more profit and more loyal customers. Moreover, T-Life is also prime example of company with a solid marketing campaign that was all planned based on SWOT research that helped it become the brand it is today. The vision of T-Life brand equity is known as the perception or view of what customers are thinking about a product or service offered by the firm. T-Life is Malaysia's recommended lifestyle tea company and their goal is to bring joy to everyone through tea. Then next, about organizing. Organizing is a managerial function that comes after organizing and is concerned with being able to identify task position, work responsibilities, and communication of authority and duty in order to achieve the organization's objective. Look organize for new entrepreneur with T-Life. For one, provides entrepreneurial opportunities to those interested to beginning a business. Constantly, Brian Lu and his teammates always thinking beyond the box allows the corporation to ask tough questions about what it will take to create certain kind of organization in future. So Brian Lowe and the teammates always thinking of the box because they want to organize their management smoothly and perfectly. Loop Holding will be a people-oriented organization with creativity it is art. The third function is leading. Leading is making intimate connection with direct reports of teammates Example, understanding what motivates intensive mobile lives and aroused the willingness to participate helps a planet to develop techniques for inspiring, mobilizing, and arousing a desire to contribute. In Loop Holdings, their train module is based on the T-Life business model. The management can train 50 to 100 people in month with excellence training. The management proudly share that nowadays with their various technology integration and their kitchen display system, they will minimize their training time within 28 training problem to 7-day one. T-Life develop their leadership to be nimble enough to take on everyone and integrate them into an exclusive training program. Next is controlling. Controlling is giving works orders and ensuring that instructions are carried out according to the management wishes. In T-Life, whenever they in the difficult situation, they never stop their work and always control their management and control their work very nicely. Even though in a bad situation, they will always control their works and uh, establish a new product to the customers. For example, they introduce a collagen booster, probiotic booster that they taking a couple of steps to change people's minds about bubble tea being a bad tree. Moreover, T-Life uses spreadsheets and calculation to analyze revenue and market segmentation that the management gives work to the employees and it's up they to endorse scheduling, hiring, stocking and other aspects of their business. The next question is about top management at Loop Holdings Central. The top management at Loop Holdings Central is Brian Loop, the chairman and founder, that is CEO. Brian Loop is the brains behind Loop that is always thinking out of the box and no limit when it's come to wild ideas. Brian Loop, the founder of CEO, said that the firm is based on its mission and goal of achieving a successful financial plan. He earned biochemistry degree from Monash University in Melbourne, Australia. About the company faces obstacles and difficulties, Brian Lu does not give up and continues to work to resolve the problems very bravely. During MCO times, that have a lot of problem. Even though the problems it's happen, Brian Lu launch a new product that is DIY bubble tea kits for all the bubble tea fans. From this, he gains more profit and more loyal customers during the MCO time. Moreover, Brian Lu won the Best Master Franchise Award in 2012 and Earnest and Young Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year in 2013. Brian Lu said that the strong support he received from his family would allow him to expand the company. Moreover, there are two persons in Loop Holdings in Denver. There is Cheng Lang Lu, that is Chief Operating Officer (COO) of Loop Holdings in Denver. She is over 10 years of experience in the business world was instrumental in making Brian's dream reality. She continues bring freshness to the world of food and beverage. The next is Director of International Business Development, that is Joe Bryan is the one of the team once guidance is works 7 years experience in retail industry. Loop's version is propelled to the next level by its outgoing personality and boundless drive. The next I'm going to explain about the 10 roles that the top level managers execute. Firstly, figure eight. Figure eight means emotional, ceremonial, and legal duties as a boss. It's expected of managers to be a source of motivation. People look up to big cows as a leader and a figure eight. Managers serve as abstract figures that carry out social or legal responsibility. Example, Brian Loop, the CEO of Loop Holdings, always encourages employees and new workers to motivate their work and gain energy to work faster. He always being inspiration for all the team in his Loop Holdings. This may help teammates follow his step and work very smart. Secondly, the leader. Leader is where management direct their staff, department, or even whole organization and where they handle everyone's success and responsibilities. The manager influence is most visible in management capacity as the unit organization aid. They must be a model leader who commands loyalty and devotion from his employees. For example, Brian Loop and his teammates as a leader, they train their new workers about the works and the attitudes. When they encourage their group towards the target and makes their employees interactive and more communicative. Thirdly, liaison means external interaction must be communicated with by managers. They must be able to successful network on behalf of their business. Manager must maintain a network of outside connection in addition to their regular interaction with their own subordinates, supervisor and bosses in order to determine the external world of rivalry, social developments or change in political rules, legislations and laws. They often join coalition in order to gain support for their ideas and decisions. For example, Brian Lu always cooperate with his teammates about the work of future innovation of the product. From this, T-Life management always maintain their strong relationship with their teammates. The next is the monitor. Monitor role means manager check out knowledge about their company sector on a daily basis, searching for relevant improvements in the market. Manager also have an eye on the team's success as well as their overall health. Managers are actively scanning and tracking their work, both internal and external, gathering and learning information about their company and the external environment that affects it. For example, the management of T-Life always scan their environment for information and it helps them to identify the problems they have. From this, the management can solve their problems and it can increase their productivity in their business. Disseminator is the next role in management. This is where management share potentially valuable knowledge with their staffs and teammates. Manager must communicate knowledge about policy changes and other issues to their subordinates and other members of the organization. For example, Brian Loop shared potentially valuable knowledge with his staff and teammates about the new Jane T life. The next spokesperson defines managers are the face and voice of their businesses. A boss is a spokesperson for his unit and he serves it by giving information to those outside his unit or making requests on his unit behalf. For example, Brian always giving information about the goals and organizations and give advice his teammate to think of the box. From this, all workers will aware of the standard policies of company. The managers of Loop Holding can effectively accomplish this by enlisting the assistance of a great spokesperson to make them more sensitive to such a knowledge. The next entrepreneurial role entails resolving issues, coming up with new ideas or new solutions and putting them into action. Managers are constantly interested in developing their units and confronting the complex technical problems that they face as entrepreneurs. They are constantly on the lookout for the new product enhancement or addition concepts. For example, manager of Loop Holdings conducts feasibility analysis, secure funding for new goods of T-Life if necessary, and solicit employee of T-Life recommendation for ways to develop the business. The next disturbance and delay is when a company or team encounters a stumbling block. It is up to the boss to take command. Managers are constantly engaged in resolving disputes between assistant or employee conflicts with central management as the judges. The next management role is resource allocator. Managers still need to figure out how to better use corporate tools. Manager create goals among numerous incentive or service and allocate final resources to the organization various operations based on these priorities. They delegate workers to work divided their time between various tasks and budget for new facilities, ads and pay increases. Lastly, negotiator means within their staff, agency or organization, manager can be asked to participate in a guide crucial negotiation. Manager negotiations and arrangements on behalf of their divisions or organization both within and outside the company. For example, Brian Lowe always listened for his teammates' idea and giving opinion for their ideas. The third question I'm going to explain is reason for innovation is important to CEO Brian Lowe's job. Firstly, innovation important for Brian Lowe's job because he wants doing something new from anyone else in the industry. The aim then becomes to improve or upgrade the goods until there is a little as comparable on the market. While the internet growth that is provides can be enough for their business, it would be a failure to ignore other important benefits like creativity allows a company to distinguish itself and its goods from the competition, which can be especially useful in a crowded sector or market. Secondly, innovation is important for brand new job is because it's important to note that people run companies for people. From this innovation, Brainlo improves the ability to learn, develop, and use competencies, abilities, and experience as a positive effect on its business culture. Moreover, in Brainlow's jobs, innovation help in the creation of a culture of lifelong learning, progress, and personal development. This sort of creative atmosphere will inspire people to continually enhance their own and their team performance. When the entire company of Brainloo is compensated and as a necessary opportunities for workers to excel in their careers, people's perceptions of their jobs improve. Lastly, innovation is important for Brian Liu Jobs because of he wants to increase his technology research growth center to ensure that G-Life's worldwide market activities stay in good condition. Improving efficiency, lowering prices, becoming more innovative, increasing quality, market equity, forming new alliances and relationships, increasing turnover and increasing sustainability are all benefits of introducing creativity, innovation and technical advancement that lower manufacturing costs and increase productivity. Since less time is expended and low impact projects as a result of increased competitive and relative work becomes more meaningful in Brian Lew's job. Lastly, I'm going to explain about technology changes the way managers work today. Since today's workers can operate at their own speed and from almost any place, technology has altered the manager's position. Firstly, in the new workplace, technology has modified the way managers used to talk. Smartphones, social networking sites, and messaging applications have elevated connectivity to new heights. Manager can share emails, text, or video chat with assistant or supervisor and even video conference with them. Managers no longer need to be physically present at the office all the time because managers have the technology advantages. Manager also can work on other important projects outside of the office and communicate with their co-workers in real time through video chats. Next, technology aids in the organizations of the company. Manage in the project management helps in the development, delegation, analysis, and evaluation of tasks for a managers. Many creative products and software are now available in the new workplace to improve workflow and performance of the managers. Project management helps in the improvement of the quality and quantities of work of a manager as well as risk evaluations by raising a red flag if a job deviates from the plan potentially resulting in project failure. Lastly, business nowadays rely on business productivity software which is offer a variety of resources to help them solve the complicated of implementing strategy on daily basis. It also manages to monitor success more quickly during a process of goal competition and provide immediate reinform- reinforcement or coaching to keep results and deadlines on track. This is also another example how technology can help companies improve their competitiveness and efficiency. Thank you very much.